kingdom attacked and wanted his kingdom, he said that my country and my people will live free. And a battle broke in Haldi Ghati, the valley of Haldi Ghati. And in that battle, uh, he battled with the enemy with a strong army, but the army was small. But still he battled, and in the end, his horse took him to the forest with loyalty. And his horse was not only animal, but he was the living evidence of loyalty and towards his master. So today we will learn the lesson based on his horse and his master. The name of the lesson is Ashwasya Swaminishta. It is the 13th lesson of your textbook. So before that, there is a song. Sing along with me. Sing after me. Okay. Just sit correctly with nice posture and clap with me. 1, 2, 3, start. जुटी है नदी घाटी घोड़ों के इन बातों से, जुटी है नदी घाटी घोड़ों के इन बातों से, वीरों की है सेना लेकर जाना लड़ना मुद्दों से, वीरों की है सेना लेकर जाना लड़ना मुद्दों से, हाथी पे सलीम है, हाथी पे सलीम है, चेतक पे राणा है, चेतक पे राणा है, हाथों में भाला है, हाथों में भाला है, हाथों में ज्वाला है, हाथों में ज्वाला है, देखो चेतक हाथी के मस्तक पर चढ़ गया, देखो चेतक हाथी के मस्तक पर चढ़ गया, टप 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 धूम उठी है नदी घाटी घोड़ों के इन तापों से, धूम उठी है नदी घाटी घोड़ों के इन तापों से, वीरों की है सेना लेकर जाना लड़ना मुद्दों से, की है सेना लेकर जाना लड़ना मुद्दों से, हाथी पे सलीम है, चेतक पे राणा है, हाथी पे सलीम है, चेतक पे राणा है, हाथों में भाला है, हाथों में ज्वाला है, हाथों में भाला है, हाथों में ज्वाला है, देखो चेतक हाथी के मस्तक पर चढ़ गया, देखो चेतक हाथी के मस्तक पर चढ़ गया, टप 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 So we will start with the lesson 30. Ashwasya Swaminishta. The meaning is loyalty of a horse towards his master. So I will read the lesson to you now. Please listen carefully as I am going to ask a question after this. त्रयोदशः पाठः. See in your textbook. अश्वस्य स्वामिनिष्ठा. मध्याह्नसमये सर्वत्र निर्भरः. मार्गः अपि निर्मितः. तदा एव कोऽपि अश्वः मार्गे now I will explain the lesson to you line by line. Did you enjoy the song, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. So this song is about the ruler, the king of Mewar and his horse. Okay. So, Madhyana Samaya. It was midday. The time was of midday. Sarvatra Niravata. There was silence everywhere. Sarvatra is avyaya. Means everywhere. Write down the difficult meanings or the words that you come to know first. Sarvatra Niravata. Niravata means silence. Niravata. This is Akaranta Strilingi word Shabdaha Niravata like Mala, Prathamayana, Ekavatra. There was silence everywhere. There is silence everywhere. Margaha api nirmanushaha. The path, the road was deserted. Margaha means road. Api is again avyaya, which means also. Nirmanushaha. Nirmanushaha manushasya अथवा मनुष्याणां अभावः. This is अव्ययीभाव समास. निर्मनुष्यः. मनुष्याणां केषां अभावः? केषाम् अभावः? मनुष्याणाम् अभावः. The road was deserted. There was no one on the road. Which type of samas is this? Avyayī. The road was deserted. तदा एव कोऽपि अश्वः मार्गे धावति. At that very moment, कोऽपि कः अपि. Some अश्वः means horse. अश्वः horse. At that very moment, some horse was running. Some horse runs along the path. Marge is the sabdami of word marga prakaranta pudni. Marge dhavati runs. This is lat lakar, that is present tense. Dhavati. Tell me the dhatu in this word dhavati. Yes. Dhava, dhavat. धावधातु प्रथमगणः परस्मैपदम्. लट् लकारः, which means present tense. लट् लकारः leg. Vranitah. Now, someone of you come forward and read this.
प्रणीतः व्रण दशमगणः उभयपदी
दशमगणः
श्रीगण उभयपदी आदित्य प्रत्यय means form
good. That is into. Vranitah means one leg is wounded. Yes, is pratyaya. Sah kashtena vedanam sabate. It, the cause, endures the pain with great efforts. Kashtena is the tritiya. Sadhanasya tritiya. Kashtena vedana. Vedana is the dvivachana of word vedana. What is the meaning of vedana? Pain. Vedana. Akaranga. Stringi. Like mala. Vidya. Ekam. Vedanam sabate. Pain. Means pain. Sabate. Here sahatatu. प्रथमगणः आत्मनेपदम् लट्लकारस्य प्रथमपुरुषस्य सहते तथापि त्रिभिः पादैः यथा कथमपि सः धावति. तथापि संधि तथा प्लस अपि. Then also still we can say it runs with his 3 legs somehow. Yatha katham. Can you write it down? There are 3 words. Yatha, katham, api. Meaning it somehow. All are with aware. Somehow it manages to run on its 3 legs. त्रि शब्दः नित्य बहुवचनः. It's पुल्लिङ्गस्य रूपः. तृतीया. Again त्रिभिः साधनस्य तृतीया. पादैः पादशब्दः तृतीयायाः बहुवचनः. सः that is that horse धावति. धावधातु same रूप. तस्य पृष्ठे उपविष्टः अस्ति तस्य स्वामी. On its back there sits its master. Swami, Swami Nishta. Swami, master. On its back there sits its master. Upavishtaha. Here Upa is Upasargama plus Vish dhatu plus Ta pratyaya. It becomes Upavishtaha. 6. It's Tasya again his or its Swami master. Tasya Swami Shastra Praharaihi Vranitah. Its master is also wounded by the let's say Weapon strikes. So शस्त्र प्रहारैः शस्त्राणां प्रहाराः तैः This is Chaturthi, this is Shashti. So which type of Tatpurusha it is? Shashti. Oh, good. Tatpurusha. Shastra Praharaihi, the strikes of weapons. Vranidaha, again wounded. The horse is wounded, the master is also. Because of which battle, what do you think? Yes? हल्दी घाट अविरतं धावनेन अश्वः अतीव श्रान्तः जायते because of continuous running धावनेन धावनम is here it is धावधातु is there but this is प्रातिपदिक it is now धावनेन तृतीया विभक्ति अश्वः that is horse अतीव a lot Ativa is अव्यय again. Meaning is a lot. Very much. Ativa Shrantah Jayate. Shrantah, the meaning is it extremely tired. It will be extremely tired. It is Shramadhatu. चतुर्थगणः परस्मैपदं प्लस तौ-प्रत्ययः. Yes, Pratula? Do you have any doubt? No. जायते जन तृतीय गणः परस्मैपदम् आत्मनेपदम् लट् प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् yes this is I wrote it because of mistake it is atmanepadam not parasmay yes so in jayate janma is the Latin jayate it became सः वेगेन धावितुम् असमर्थः भवति सः the horse वेगेन the horse could not run with speed could not run fast because of his wounds and he was running on 3 legs so असमर्थः न समर्थः इति असमर्थः तत्पुरुषः असमर्थः भवति भूभवधातु प्रथमगणः परस्मैपदं लट् मार्गः कीदृशः? मार्गः निर्मनुष्यः। मार्गः निर्मनुष्यः। अश्वस्य पृष्ठे उपविष्टः स्वामी कीदृशः? Yes, Anjita. Dread means wounded or injured. अश्वः किमर्थं मन्दं धावितुं प्रारभते?
सः अतीव श्रान्तः।
अतः मन्दं धावितुं प्रारभते। श्रान्तः। These answers will help you in the exam. Now I will ask some more questions. Someone of you come forward and answer questions. Anyone? Right on board. तस्य एकः पादः व्रणितः डैश डैश नीरवता सर्वत्र नीरवता और साइलेंस कर राइट सिनोनिम्स Write me one synonym. Right? Synonym of one question. Ashwa. Turanga. We can also say Turanga. Shravika. Marga, synonym. You can say weekly or pataha. Good. Now, Ankita, now. Right, Ankita. Mu is deal. अथवा अल्पम. दूसरा नाम you have to fill it with water. असमर्थः समर्थः बहुमुखः very good. Did you all understand the lesson? Now I will give you homework. So when you come tomorrow to the class, write the meaning of the lesson in your